Welcome to Edsembli Finance, a powerful, easy-to-use, and secure platform designed specifically for education's needs. This is the fourth video of our four-part series focused on the purchasing process. In the previous videos of this series, we looked at the first 3 steps in the requisitions to check purchase workflow. So today, we are going to look at the final step, how to pay an invoice. Start by selecting the invoices you want to pay. Payments can be made by check, EFT, or both. In a few simple steps, you'll have checks ready for printing. Finalize your batch and print your checks. Check templates are customized for your school district. If you're paying by EFT, the system will generate a file containing all the EFT information to send to the bank. Meanwhile, reports will provide you with a summary of the payments issued and can be exported with the click of a button. Whether your workflow kicks off at the requisition stage, purchase order, or invoice stage, we make the process incredibly easy. And best of all, the system comes with built-in workflows for all necessary approvals, meaning there's no need to print documents, share files, or send emails. It's all in one convenient place. Have questions about how Edsembli handles the purchasing process? Get in touch with our team today to learn more.